Hi guys, we came back to the hotel now. We bought some food that you cannot see anywhere else in the world. We bought them from the local sort of like little market, little corner store. They're everywhere. So we're going to do some taste tests. Now first is the, what was it? Where's the fish?
Fish, yeah.
The fish that we bought, we didn't do the test when we were outside because it was so hot.
What is it?
So we're going to do just show you what it looks like.
Like a little fish.
So it's made of pastry. I think it has red bean or custard inside.
Your one has cheese, I think.
So do a taste test. Right.
That's I like sweet potato.
Try that. Sweet potato. Oh,
Mine got
that's nice. That's nice. Oh.
I'll show you what. Let's try mine now. I think
Your one's red bean, yeah.
That's so good.
We also have some Chinese bun as well. I can buy from the corner store. I'll try that one. We're gonna heat it up in a minute. How's it?
It's good. Wow, that's good.
That's good, yeah. The other thing, it's chicken nugget. Although you can buy it anywhere in the world, but we had it last time when we were in Japan, and these are some of the best tasting chicken nugget ever. It's perfect with some noodle later.
So good. Oh my god.
And what I really love is the purple monster. I used to be able to buy them from the UK, but for some reason it's all gone now.
It's good.
Oh, grape flavored. My favorite monster. You can't buy it anywhere. The only time I can buy it, only places I can buy it is here in Japan, and funnily enough in Poland for some reason.
It's good.
Beautiful.
Okay, so from the corner shop we also got like this type of dango. It's like okay, so
What's this? Sticky rice.
it's like mochi, but
Sticky rice mochi thing, yeah.
it's good.
Got some beer. Sapporo, I think this is the capital of Hokkaido in northern Japan. Here, I haven't tried this one before, but here it says hei, which means black. So I guess this is like a Guinness type of thing. No, it's definitely not a Guinness. It's normal beer. It's not a dark beer, but it's absolutely delicious. The other beer is the one that I had yesterday, which is really, really good. No, in fact, this one is so good, actually. This one is so good. I'll show you the noodle. Japanese corner stores has so many different varieties of noodle. This is one of the ones I purchased today, but we had many different ones, and they all taste very, very good. So anyway, guys, that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Amber certainly does with
The food.
all the food. Anyway, we are moving on to Kyoto tomorrow. And in Amber and my wife's opinion, Kyoto is simply the best looking city in Japan. And many people would have concurred as well. I certainly thought so until today when I went to the island, and that changed my mind. But anyway, we're going to Kyoto tomorrow. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and like and share this video, and come along with us to Kyoto.
Bye.
Cheerio. Good evening, guys. Welcome to Global Hopper again. We are still in Hiroshima. It is now 6:30 in the evening. So this video is all about what Hiroshima looks like in the evening time. So come along with us.
And enjoy the show.
So we are in one of these shopping centers or shopping streets in Hiroshima. This looks almost identical to the one in Osaka, except this one is a lot quieter with fewer people. We spent the day today in the island. We're absolutely exhausted, but we thought we can't really leave Hiroshima without seeing what it looks like in the evening. We're going to Kyoto tomorrow. So this is our last chance to see the city. Amber just saw something. She was super excited to play these machines that takes coins only. She's absolutely obsessed with these things. What most people tend to do when they visit Japan is visit Tokyo, Osaka and Kyoto. Most people will skip Hiroshima, but please come. Not just for the educational purpose, but the entire city is really enjoyable as well. People are much more friendly than the other cities, which is fantastic. Oh wow, okay, check this out. Ooh. No one does scary better than Japan, right? Doing some crazy stuff. Oh, they're claw machines. Let's go check out the claw machines. Right, so the claw machines are basically sort of cheating. Amber spent so many thousands of Japanese yen on claw machines and got absolutely nothing to show for it. There are so many sort of like capsule toy stores, like those ones you have to twist and turn, and claw machines, like those ones here, look. They really do industrialize those things. Look at the size of the shop inside. Those characters are so cool. Those Nintendo games. I used to play them when I was a child on GameCube. Gonna order some of those fish thing. Okay, so we bought the fish thing. Pastry. Fish pastry with sweet fillings inside. We had it before last time we were in Japan, so we try it this time. And we're gonna do a taste test.
Oh my god.
Okay, we are postponing the taste test because it's too hot.